This is our PD Master or no PD Master certificate. We achieved this last 2023, and yeah, this is our current standing. That's for the bullet. Uh, 1403 for Blitz 1496 and Rapid 1377. So hopefully today we could reach 1-4 for our Rapid game. So that's it, guys. So this is our account in the PD Online Arena. We have 14,552 games, 63 days of plays, and 54% win rate. Average accuracy of 83%, 785 puzzles, 603 tournaments, and we have 72 tournament victories. That's for the first place. Thank you very much, guys. This is Arena PD Master Sir Parts.